Hey, this is Rob with AMI. Wanted to make this video for our environmental consultant friends, and we've worked for a few firms that have found this sort of analysis to be unbelievably helpful. And so what we're looking at now is the 2018 Florida Division of Emergency Management LiDAR data set, and we can compare changes that have occurred over time to current conditions. And so we've gone out and captured LiDAR data in the same location. Our main area of focus is about a 1 acre parcel right here. So something I'd like to point out is some of the changes that have occurred in the right-of-way. And so if we draw a profile line across the right-of-way, we can see the yellow line represents the 2025 data that we collected, and the black line's the 2018 FDEM data. If we look on the north side of this profile, we can see that the ditch is filled in maybe 4/10 of a foot, half a foot in some areas. When we come back across the asphalt, we tie in really nicely, about 5/100 of a foot or so. And then when we get to the south side of the profile line, we can see some of the other changes that have occurred. And what's happened here is the county's come in, they've built a bike path. They've taken the ditch that was in this location from 2018 and relocated it a little bit further south. Another area that we like to investigate on this property is going to be actually outside of the 1 acre parcel. So the homeowner had a contractor come in 3 or 4 years ago, and that contractor dug this ditch deeper, created some standing water problems for the client, but then also got a little carried away and ended up on the neighboring properties to the south. So we can have a look at the profile and see what's changed in this area. So we have not smoothed our data sets. We have a point every 5 inches. The 2018 data set's smooth, but we still generally tie in outside of the ditch area. And then we can look at the changes that have occurred where they've dug this ditch down approximately 1.5 feet. So anyway, so we can also calculate the amount of volume of material that's been removed. We can provide surveyor requirements. So we can have a surveyor that we work with shoot the boundary, give us a set of polylines in state plane, overlay that on top of our LiDAR data, and look at who's responsible for what changes, that sort of thing. We also can work with an in-house surveyor at any firm as well too. So if you guys have any need for this, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we look forward to working with you.